What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to speed up a slow Mac with some practical settings and tips. If your Mac has been running slower than usual, follow these steps to give it a much needed performance boost. First, let's make sure your Mac has enough free space. Macs need at least 10% of free space on a startup disk to run smoothly. Click on the Apple icon on the top left corner of your screen. Select About this Mac, More Info, Storage Settings. Here, you'll see a breakdown of what's using up your storage. To free up space, use the Optimize Storage feature, which will automatically manage files like iTunes movies and email attachments, and that you don't need to keep on your Mac. Next, remove unused applications. Unused apps can slow down your Mac, especially if they run in the background. Open Finder and go to Applications. Click the Date Modified tab to see which apps you haven't used in a while. Drag any unused apps to the trash, then empty the bin to free up space. When this is done, we will disable startup items. Some applications start automatically when you turn on your Mac, which can slow down the boot process. Go back to your system settings. On this window, navigate to the General section and then click on Login Items. Select the apps that you don't need to start automatically and click the minus button to remove them from the list. Below, you can also prevent applications from running in the background, which might otherwise cause lag and low performance, depending on their resource requirements. Disable these applications, such as the Adobe Creative Cloud, Steam, or Microsoft Teams. You'll be required to enter your account password to proceed. If your Mac is running slow because of high memory usage, free up some RAM by closing resource-intensive apps. Open up your Finder. Next, click on Go in the top navigation and then select Utilities. On this window, open the Activity Monitor. Head to the Memory section. It might take a couple of seconds to load the information. Sort by memory to see which apps are using the most RAM. Select the apps you don't need and click the X button in the top left corner to close them. You can also preview your used memory, app memory, and all other memory-related information below. The same goes for your CPU and disk usage. Lastly, make sure your Mac and all other apps are up to date, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Back in your system settings, head to the General section and select Software Update. If an update is available, click Update Now to install it. When this is done, open the App Store application and head to your updates to ensure all of your apps are up to date as well. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.